Listen, before you start dreaming of those beautiful cakes and perfectly frosted cupcakes, let me ask you, what is in your kitchen right now? A wooden spoon, an old pot, and a wish? Don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm showing you all the essential baking tools you need to start your journey. Here is the thing. Having the right tools doesn't make you a perfect baker, but not having them will definitely make things harder. So let's set you up for success with my ultimate beginner to pro baker's toolkit. Let's start with the most apps for every beginner baker. These are the tools that will take you from I'm just trying to wow, did I really bake that? Number one of it, measuring cups and spoon. Baking is science. Get a good set of dry and liquid measuring cups plus spoons for small amounts. Number two of it is kitchen scale. A digital kitchen scale. It's way more accurate than cups, especially when you are scaling recipes. Precision is power. Number three of it is mixing bowls. At least 3 sizes: small, medium, large. Number four of it, whisk, rubber spatula, and wooden spoon. A whisk for smooth batter, a spatula for scraping every last drop. Number five is hand mixer or stand mixer. You can mix by hand, but your arms might hate you. Start with a hand mixer. Upgrade to a stand mixer when you are ready to go pro. Number 6 is baking pans. 2-inch round cake pans. A loaf pan, a muffin tin. With these 3, you can bake almost anything as a beginner. Number 7 is oven thermometer. Here is a truth bomb. Most ovens lie about their temperature. Get a cheap oven thermometer to check your actual heat. Your cakes will thank you. Ready to level up? Once you are serious about baking, here are some pro tools worth investing in. Number 1 of it is stand mixer. That's KitchenAid or similar. For big batches, bread doughs, and fluffy frosting. Number 2 is piping bags and nozzles for stunning decorations and precision icing. Start with a basic set and grow your collection. Number 3, cake turntable. You don't know how much you need this until you've tried frosting a cake without one. It's a total game changer for smooth finishes. Number 4, silicone baking mat or parchment paper. No more stock cookies or wasted parchment sheets. A reusable silicone mat is an eco-friendly win. Before you go on a shopping spree, here are my golden rules for buying baking tools. Start small. You don't need everything at once. 2, quality over quantity. 1 good spatula is better than 5 bad ones. 3, shop smart. Local markets often have great affordable tools. Save the splurge for mixer and pans. And there you have it, your essential baking tool kit. With this, you are ready to whip up magic in your kitchen, whether you are baking for family, friends, or the entire neighborhood. Remember, great bakers are not made overnight. This is Cakes by Lainik, where we bake with love, passion, and a sprinkle of magic. See you in next class.